In this tutorial, you will quickly learn the vignette effect in Premiere Pro to add depth and focus to your videos. After setting up your project, go to the Project panel, right-click to create a new adjustment layer. Drag it onto the timeline, and make sure it matches the length of your clip. Select the adjustment layer, then head to the Effects panel and search for the circle. Under the obsolete folder, double-click left mouse button on the circle to add. Change the blending mode to Stencil Alpha to transform the circle into a mask. Increase the radius to the point where the black is only visible in the corners. Click the down arrow next to Feather and increase the feather outer edge to around 250. You have successfully added the vignette effect to your footage. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.